Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and this morning we're going to take a quick look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. As you can see, we've equipped this boat with the light blue hull sides, nice big hard top, powder coated supports. The boat is equipped with the Mercury Verado 250 horsepower V8s. The boat also has underwater lights, trim tabs. Now we're going to take a quick walk up and check out the interior of the boat. Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and this morning we're going to take a quick look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. We're going to start up in the bow of the boat, working from all the way forward. The boat is equipped with the windlass anchor, full-length loungers on each side, tremendous amount of storage underneath the helm when you lift this backrest up. Making our way back, you have a nice full hard top with full enclosure. A lockable ski locker or rod holder in the floor. Port side, you have a nice head compartment, nicely finished vacuum flush head. Your port side lounger, very easy to move, gives you an aft-facing lounger, back-to-back seating, or the ability to have a forward-facing lounger. Underneath the seat is your live well. At the helm, this boat is equipped with the 12-inch Raymarine Axiom Hybrid Touch, Raymarine VHF radio, Mercury Smartcraft, active trim, and a Fusion stereo. You have a nice individual helm seat with flip-up thigh rise. This boat is equipped with the summer kitchen option, which gives you the stainless steel refrigerator and barbecue grill, as well as the freshwater sink. You have a nice full-width transom seat, great back support, and a nice deep seat to give you behind the leg support. And that folds away, gives you a nice open cockpit for fishability. The boat is equipped with the new Mercury V8 250 horsepower 4-strokes with the optional white paint. Making your way out through the transom door, you do have a freshwater sprayer and plenty of rod holders, 4 across the transom and a couple on each gunnel side. Boat is equipped with the shore power package. That's a real quick look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. If you'd like to see this boat in person or any of the other whalers we have in stock, ask for me, Dean Ashton. Be happy to help you out.